Most appliance companies, they run 30, 40 to 50 products on the same line. And often the difference between those products is just like one component in the middle of your procedure. And how the operators know what to pick at the right time is dependent on like one random work instruction laying around and laminated if you're lucky. I visit a lot of appliance plants and I keep seeing the same thing over and over. Variants that differ by a single component hidden halfway through a complex assembly sequence. The operator knows which one to use because they've done it 100 times. Because a senior colleague told them, or because they just got lucky and they read a paper SOP somewhere that was updated 6 months ago. And when a unit ships with the wrong component, nobody can really explain how it happened because nobody was tracking it. The process wasn't designed to catch it. Years ago, Novy, a Belgian kitchen appliance manufacturer, launched a new cooking plate. Complaints came in almost immediately. Assembly errors, wrong components, things that were missed on the line. And that was their trigger to finally move quality control to the line, not after it. Right instructions at the right time across multiple variants. The result? A 60% drop in customer complaints. And what makes appliances different from other manufacturing? Volume and pace. You're not building one complex machine per week, you're running thousands of units across dozens of variants at line speed. Paper doesn't scale with that, tribal knowledge doesn't scale with that, and every time an operator joins, the risk resets. The manufacturers who fix this don't wait for a crisis. They decide that we couldn't trace it is no longer acceptable. They decide that the process, not the operator, should carry the knowledge. If this sounds familiar, let's talk.